Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog on the Ombonda's channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So today we went to get a new washing machine. The old one we have, it's not working again. The motor spoiled, so we've not been able to fix it for over a month now. So we decided to get a new one instead, and today we'll be getting top. We are here to buy washing machine. So let me show you some of the ones we are going for. We are going for top loader. We are going for the top loader. So let me show you guys.
The manual will tell us what's for something.
429.
The same thing, just different of the weight. What will this include? So look at the
Does it come with the charger? Why now? Kind of one and put here.
Smart inverter. Is this inverter?
Yes, it is true.
Put out there. Okay. So what do you have between this one and that one? Huh?
Color. We take white.
No, it's one of the colors. See, this one has the box itself. Yes. Yeah. See?
That is not the right one. Let me check.
So this is the free detergent that was inside they gave us after buying the washing machine, and we have like 4 packs of detergent inside. So let's say for 2 weeks now we'll not be buying detergent. And this is the new washing machine. After fixing it, this is the inside. It's so fine. And this is the old washing machine. Please, if you are interested to buy this washing machine, it's available. Just contact me. You can fix it and use it. Thanks for watching.